So now that we have this equation for the total amount of money that Grant's going to make from people who bought his products the first day and the second day, it would be great if we could simplify it further. However, we don't know how to do that yet. So before we dive into this particular example, let's look at a slightly less complicated but similar problem. Let's say we just have some expression. I picked 3x minus 5y plus 6x plus 9y. Now, how could we simplify this expression? Well, I think we need to remember what each of these terms really means. So 3x, for example, is actually equal to x plus x plus x. And 6x is actually equal to 6x's added together. Right now, writing this out might not seem particularly helpful, but I think the reason that I chose to write these terms this way will become clear if we just rearrange the order of the terms in this expression. So now we've switched the order of the terms around so that the terms with x are next to each other and the terms of y are next to each other. Now we can see that the first thing we want to do is add 3x and 6x together. With all of the x's written out, that doesn't seem that hard. I just need to figure out how many x's total I have down here. And if I count them, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 x's. So I guess that means that 3x plus 6x equals 9x. Now, one thing we can notice is that in order to get the sum of 3x and 6x here, we don't actually have to count all the x's. All we really have to do is add the coefficients of the variables together, since 3 plus 6 equals 9. Once we have the coefficient, we just make sure that we multiply that by the variable that both of these terms have. We usually call this adding like terms or combining like terms, as I've written at the top of the slide.